The brake lights for this 2004 Honda Accord would stay on all the time. This is how I quickly fixed the problem, without spending a cent. I removed the driver's side under-column knee bolster panel cover. They were removed, and they are right here. I quickly looked for the brake switch. I was not surprised the brake pedal stop pad was missing. It's made of rubber or plastic, and it tends to fall off. It helps to push in the brake switch, so the brake lights turn off when you let go of the brake pedal. As you can see here, the switch does not retract. It is missing a brake pedal stop pad that looks like this. I improvised and looked for something else to fix this quickly. I found this plastic rivet in my toolbox, and the fit was perfect. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to be a subscriber. Now the brake lights will stay off.